Hip abduction with or without modified side plank. The purpose of this exercise is to strengthen the glutes and hip stabilizer muscles while also engaging your core. Benefits of this exercise include improving balance and postural stability, core, and hip strength. Start by laying on your side with your bottom knee bent. Tighten the front of the upper leg, keeping the leg straight, and then lift. Slowly return to the starting position. Perform 15 repetitions on each side, 3 sets altogether. If this becomes easy, you can advance it by using a modified side plank to perform. When doing so, make sure you remain upright and not rotating backwards,